I'm trying to find good lighting. Dave 4. What? Gang gang. What's he married? Santa Claus, what I wanted. Oh no. Alright, she's public. Gang. Cute. Love this place. These look so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I laid down on my couch and I can't stop watching now. So I fixed my bangs so you don't see my pimple. So finally I'm going to be unboxing my Gucci bag. And it's a gift from me to myself. I picked this up myself. Dun, 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 dun. Got this at the Gucci store. Cute. Whoops. Cute. Oh. This is the cute little bag. I got it because I wanted a new going out bag, and this is gonna be cute, and it's pink. So yeah. This is just the bag. Wallet, dollar, calf. I also want to use this as like an everyday bag because my sister has like a small flat Louis Vuitton bag like this that she just brings with her to like the stores. It's easy to pick up. She has all her cards in it. So I figured this is small and tiny, like it won't bother me. So can't wait to see what it looks like when I'm wearing it, because this is gonna, like, I can't stand up right now. It's not gonna look right. This chain, I would say that was pretty heavy, but it's pretty long, which is good for like a crossbody moment. But smells new. Yeah, this is like, I don't know if you can see inside. Let me take this off. 8 pockets. And then it just has this little, in the middle, it's a little zipper. So I just made this bag, my new bag. I can't wait to put my stuff in it finally after like months, weeks, not months, probably just 1 month. Oops. Gucci. Ooh, cute. Lighting's terrible, but I realized my belt matches. Cute. It matches my belt. My matching belts and my bag. How cute. So I was gonna wear my Converses because so I could be wearing all pink, but I look in the mirror and I look dumb. Yeah, no. Can you see me? I don't know. I'm gonna use my straps today. Lifting straps. I'm with Nate, but I don't want to blind him while he's driving.
is coming off. My shoes came off.
So, it is 11:50 right now. I went to the gym at basically like 9 something. Just getting home, I had to stop by Walmart, and me and I got some food from Le Wawa. And I don't feel bad about eating this because I barely ate today. And that was a good workout. And I'm trying to get the gains. So, it's a buffalo chicken quesadilla. What's today? Day 4. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video today. I did my Gucci. I might go there tomorrow, so keep on the lookout for that. But anyways, good night, guys. I will see you guys soon. I'm gonna try and edit this vlog tonight because I know I probably have to go out early tomorrow. I don't know yet. We'll see how it goes when this video shows up. Bye. Actually, it's like this. Bye. Vlogmas Day 4.
Oh, it's the house. It's the house lights. I see them now.